This is getting really icy, but if I don't get it out of the way, I'm not going to move my car.
Last time I walked down here, it was about 7 o'clock this morning. There was snow all over the place. Oh, someone came through with a shovel. Much, much nicer. We'll see what the market looks like. King Street, and looking up Newbury toward Market and stuff. Looks like there is activity. There are cars out on the road. People out and about, taking pictures, walking, shoveling. West Market Street. Emergency vehicles going up North Newbury Street, heading to Philadelphia. People are shoveling their way out. The streets are passable. And I'd say it's probably good if we could get another couple hours of just shoveling, clearing. It hasn't really gotten that cold. I think the city has done pretty good cleaning out. I think Waterway might be open, I'm not sure. People can walk to it. Yeah. Waterway is open. Getting close to about 4:30. The sun's dropping a little bit. York City is definitely cleaning out. I can definitely say York City looks a lot different at 4:15 this afternoon than it did at 7 this morning. Definitely is cleaning out really good. I don't know what the rest of the county looks like, but the city's in good shape.
I need one of those.
Tell me what the problem's been.
No.
And that's your car, the second one in.
Yeah, the one that's the only color.
What color is it supposed to be? I see it looks white.
Yeah.
Is he coming this way? Is he scared?